Hi guys, I'm doing a hair tutorial on this right here, crimped hair it's called. Very easy to achieve and I hope you enjoy. So I'm just put it down right here so my phone and not my computer's currently shut down. So hope that's good. So what you need is a crimper. This is Infinite by Cone Air. Right there. Looks like this. And what you do... Sorry, that's my cat. Just ignore it. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to do it. So what you want to have is heat protectant. I have Tresemme heat protectant right there, if you can see it. It protects your hair and kind of keeps your style on. I've had this in all day, so it looks pretty good. So what you do is you take your crimper. Wait, first you take a clip. I have a really big one, and you section your hair off. Like this. I twist it, grab this, and do it. And I put two pieces, split it in half, and put it in front. And what I do is I spray this on my hair, rub it through, make sure it's completely in my hair. Like that. Hope you can see what I'm doing. And then you take a section of hair about this big, and you take your crimper and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you just count and you do this throughout your hair. So take another section of hair and just hold it for a couple seconds. Like as I was before, I was counting, so. And just crimp it. Put it back behind. And split the last pieces in half. My hair is naturally really thin, but this hairstyle makes it really, really thick. Crimping is actually not too hard to do. My hair is naturally more straight than wavy, but I still consider it wavy. So you might want to do this right after you get out of the shower, blow dry it. Yeah, anything like that. And this side is completely done. And what I do is just go around it, randomly crimp places. And then you just do this with your whole head. So take a section of hair. Well, first you want to brush this out. Section of hair and crimp. I do not have very many tools for hairstyling. So this is my friend's actually. I always use hers. She lives right next door. I'm very lucky to have her. And now I'm just going to take this down. Since my hair is already crimped, what you do is you just go out through your whole head, and your final product, I crimp my bangs, is going to be this. Very fun, edgy style. So, hope you enjoyed. Bye!